I'm Mark Nicolson. I run a workshop called Designing the Life We Want, sometimes for a weekend, sometimes for the week long. I have now shifted to teaching more week longs because weekends is like a change of state of consciousness. And the week longs is more like you're really changing over that time the structure of your consciousness. And it's quite possible for people to see things or know things or remember things on the weekend. But during the week long, there is a different level of connection that happens. There's a different level of listening to ourselves and being able to drop our protections that we have. We can have these extraordinary altered state experiences, breath work, workshops, psychedelics, sex, being in nature, all kinds of ways we can do that. But if we don't have the opportunity to express what the experience was and to reflect on the meaning of that experience and the conclusions and the insights from that experience, and then how do we want to integrate those meanings into our lives, we do kind of miss the experience. In the week long, you really have a lot of time to be in dialogue with people in the room, in the workshop. Everybody gets to hear everybody else's insights and everybody else's delights and everybody else's anxieties. So there's a way in which a collective meaning starts to get made that goes beyond the personal, which really adds to the personal meaning making as well. I mean, the WhatsApp groups from the week longs that I have are still, most of them are still active years later. That feels like a really important testament to the amount of connection that happens and to the fact that people have really made meaning and are making choices based on what the meanings were that they saw.